Tutorials with Stephanie, and we're talking about the Tik Tock app and After Effects. So we're gonna do a little demonstrations on that, and there's a lot on the Tik Tock app that you can easily do in After Effects with motion tracking. That's where all that comes in place. Within that, you can easily use Adobe stock. And say you want to grow a flower out of my hand. Or, I don't know. Say you want to chuck a fireball out of my hand, like, and then you can motion track that in that. With Tik Tock is instantly, you could, I don't even recommend motion graphic designers use Tik Tock because Tik Tock it's like a Musical.ly site. I researched it. I checked it out. I have a TikTok, but I really don't use it. So don't follow me because I'm not gonna follow you because I don't use it. So that's what Tik Tock is, but we're going to show you in After Effects where you can do all kinds of stuff with, like, similar to what you could do in Tik Tock. Like with text, if you want a little shimmer, you could just, if you want, like for example, if you are a wizard and you need to wave your wand and then, you know, or if you want lasers, if you want to play laser tag, if you want realistic lasers, you could do that in After Effects more than TikTok. Honestly, I just don't recommend TikTok to anyone. You can do all that in After Effects and then just export it as a GIF or a movie file. You know, export it as a movie file like you normally do, and that's it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So this is Tutorials with Stephanie.